So this is how to connect your wallet on Arichain. So like you know, Arichain have been making a waves in the crypto space for the past weeks with their TGE and listing preparations. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. But first of all, go to your Play Store and update your Arichain wallet app. Go and update it, then come back to the app. Click on submit your task proof. So like you are seeing, these are the things you need to submit. Submit your EVM wallet address. Submit your Discord handle. Submit your S, which is Twitter handle. Don't panic. I will walk you through on how to get all these details. So first of all, let's get our EVM wallet on Metamask or any other decentralized wallet. Open your Metamask and come right here. Then copy your address. So go back to your Arichain wallet and paste it. So the next one is to submit our Discord handle. So I will show you how to get your Discord handle on your app. So open your Discord app, then come to you. Yes, tap on you. Then go to settings icon up there at the top right corner. Then go to accounts. Then you can see your username right here. Tap on it and copy it. So we need to head back to our Arichain wallet and paste it. So the next task here is to submit your Twitter handle. Okay, let's assume you don't know how to get it. Just open your Twitter app. Yes, go to your profile. So if you are seeing this, please go and follow me up on Twitter. I don't really have much followers there, so I only use the account to follow up projects. Yes, to follow projects updates and their tweets. So if you are seeing it, please follow up. Thanks. So as you have seen your Twitter handle, all you have to do is to head over and paste it. So after doing that, tap on verify, then tap on submit. So as you can see, we have submitted our task proof successfully. So we have completed the wallet connection task on the app. So the next thing is to head over to our Discord and also do the task on Discord. Very important. So for the Arichain wallet task, this is how your interface will look like after completing this task. What I like about their wallet connection is that if you made mistake, you can edit your information. It's very easy. So let's go and complete the task on Discord. So open your Discord app, then go to Arichat. Just locate Arichat. So after clicking on it, it will bring you to this interface right here. So all you have to do is to type / on your keyboard. Then the first option that will come out, tap on it. Yes, this array account registration, just tap on it. So after it appears like this, all you have to do is to tap on send. Yes, click the send button. Then they will bring out registration form for you. It's similar to that of the wallet one we just did, but this one is a slightly different. So EVM address, remember the way we copied our EVM address at first place. So impute it there. Then your Twitter handle, you also impute your Twitter handle there. I've already shown you how to get it before. So the next one is your Ari wallet, your Arichain wallet. This one is the different one here. I will show you how to get this one on Arichain app. So head over to your Arichain wallet, then tap on receive. Yes, receive here. To bring out your address for you, just copy it and go and paste it. So after pasting it, tap on submit. So that's it, my people. This is how to do the Arichain new task, which is connecting your wallet both on the Arichain app and also on Discord. Please make sure you share this video to your community and friends so that they can know how to walk themselves through this task. And please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. See you on my next video.